Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Rebecca, Stu, and the crew. Today we have a Dollar Tree Shop with Me video to show what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. This is for Tuesday, October the 8th, 2024. I went to 3 different stores and have all the pictures combined into one video, so let's go shopping and see what's new. Apparel and accessories, we've got these men's boxer briefs. They have them in several sizes. It says it has the comfort waistband. They come in sizes small, medium, and large, and they're $1.25 for one pair. They only had the color gray, and they were hung over by the socks. They also had the boys' t-shirts. These are the Victory League Comfort shirts. It's a boys' ribbed tank top. You get one for the $1.25. They had those in small, medium, large, and extra large. Also, they have their breast cancer awareness socks in. For arts and crafts this week, we have these new wands. They had a couple new ones. These are about almost like a quarter of an inch thick, maybe a little bit more than that. There's the flower shape, which is really cute. The new one is the princess crown. We also have the star, which is a repeat in the heart shape. These are all on those wooden dowels. They have the hexagon, and then we've got these 3D wood cutout shapes. They are an animal wood shape. They have the 3D style, and there's 4 of them all together. We have the cat, and then there's the unicorn, also a dinosaur, and a dog. There was some new material this week. These would be great for Christmas crafting. It's the colors of Santa's outfit. It's 100% polyester. They have the black, and there's also the red and white. It looks just like a Santa suit. The Craft Collector's clear stretch cord. You get 3 pieces. It says it's clear, and there's, I think, 164 feet. Also, these glue dot runners. I don't remember seeing these at Dollar Tree before. These are great for like card making and paper crafts. And they have their crochet hooks with the metal tips back in stock. They don't have, those are a little bit different than the ones they carry that are all plastic. Baby and toddler, I showed these last week, but I found them at 2 more stores this week. They have the loofahs with the bunny rabbits and the teddy bears attached. They're absolutely adorable. And then they had a bunch of toddler socks this week. They had the children's size 9 to 2.5. There's the Barbie plush socks. They also have Disney Princess. And then Minnie Mouse. So view from the sides, you can see how the toes and the heel and the top are all different colors. Just like with the Spider-Man. There's the Nightmare Before Christmas. We have Stitch. There's SpongeBob. And then the Ninja Turtles. So all of those have the toe, the top, and then the heel, which are all the same color than the character sock. For the health and beauty, we've got some new cosmetics, some new hair care and hair accessories, and some personal care items, which will all be in this section. There's this Alice in Wonderland lip gloss, and there's a couple different colors and styles. This one's the Golden Afternoon Lip Gloss, High Shine, Long Lasting, Ultra Hydrating. This one's called I'm Late. The Disney Princess Shimmer Lip Gloss. This is the Cinderella. It's like a really light, pale, purpley pink color. It's very pretty. It's almost like a lavender. There's also a darker color. It was more of like a mauve. There's the Little Mermaid. That one has kind of like a green shimmer to it. Then they had the Disney Villain Lip Gloss. So it's Ultra Shimmer Lip Gloss. We have like Cruella de Vil. There's a different villain princess from all the different princess movies, like Snow White and things like that. There's some that have the wand. That one's a light pink. There's Ursula from The Little Mermaid. That one has a little bit of a shimmer to it. You can see it up close. It's like a light lavender with the shimmer. And this one's more of like a darker rose pink. Then we've got these elastics, the furry elastics that comes in a 4-pack, or they have these elastics which coordinate with the larger style, more of like pastel colors. the Scunchie brand snap clips with the Sherpa style material. There's the tan and brown or the tan and black. They also have the scrunchies to match. You get one scrunchie for the $1.25, and those are by the brand Conair. I love this elastic with the satin rose attached. I thought that was really pretty. And then they also have the satin roses on the headbands. You can get this light pink. And they also had it with a multicolor. It's like a dark purple and a light rose pink color. We've also got the oat milk and honey cream cleansers by Rich Radiance. There's also the grapefruit dark spot treatment with licorice root, the coconut and sweet almond glow oil, and the mango shea butter. We have the Power Stick shower gel by Brazilian Mist. It says it has hints of pistachio and salted caramel smell. Then there's the Sassy Chic double-sided foot and file brush. That's with the wooden handle. It's very natural. It looked really pretty in a gift basket. There's the mandatory 600 double-tipped cotton swabs or the Wish brand with the wooden sticks. They also had the Orchid Acne patches. They have stars. And there's some hearts. A couple different colors. There's a few different boxes. There's the pink, purple, the yellow, and the blue. For fun finds this week, I found more of these clicker sensory style toys. It says it's for stress relief, and there are two styles. Comes with the clips. You can put it on like a bag. Has a little keychain type style. We've got the Bop Bot, which is stretchy and posable. He actually will stick to like windows. They had this one where he is all stretched out. They also had an alien that does the same thing. And then some craft style toys. This is a rainbow scratch sticker set where you can do all the different dinosaurs. They also had one with the different mermaids and like sea life. For home decor this week, there were these pillow covers. They're for an 18 by 18 pillow. It has a zipper closure. So they carry these from time to time. They have the black, the ivory. There's also gray and brown, and they all have that shimmer style in the material with the flower print. I found more of the flocked apples with the gold stem, and then some new candles with the bamboo topper. There's 4 of them. They have the toasted hazelnut latte and crimson cranberry. There's the pumpkin ginger ale and harvest apple. They have all 3 of the tea light candle votives. These small glass votives with the iridescent shine on the outside of the container. And then there were also these votives restocked. For the home library, office supply, and teaching tree section, there's these mini notebooks that are like 3 subject. They all had the neon cover that's like a plastic. They had orange, pink, and green, all in the neon colors. And here's a view from the sides. You can see how many pages you get. And then a bunch of these packs by Jot Office. These are the push pins. They had the primary colors of blue, yellow, orange, and pink. There's the small push pins and then the traditional style. Then you can get the pastels. We have the white, the light purple, the teal, and the little bit darker purple. These are the blue, black, white, and gray set. And you get 100 pieces, and that's Corner Office by Jot. The Housewares Home Maintenance Storage Organization Electronics. We have these LED night lights. The border lights up. The heart is a rainbow style pattern. And then you've got the square lights up with the like a glowing yellow color. The polycord rope has been restocked. They have those in 2 colors, some foaming dish spray. It says it is lemon scent and easily cleans and cuts through grease. There's some appliance light bulbs for $1.25. And then in the kitchen and pantry section, we have some new refrigerator magnets. This one says, "My dog thinks I'm cool." Life goal, pet all the dogs. Wake up, hug dog, have a good day. You had me at woof. And then the white one here says meow power with the cat ears at the top. They also had cat lover, and yes, I am a cat person. And those are all the ceramic style magnets. I also found these Sure Fresh reusable silicone stretch toppers. There's 3 different sizes. Then over in the pet care section, we've got the refillable water bowls. There's also a bunch of new dog toys and some restocked toys. Those are the ones with the large ropes at the bottom for the larger dogs. And it's got that tougher material so they don't rip them up as easily. The seasonal section this week, I found more of these charger plates and the rectangular platters. So these are kind of hit or miss. Not all stores got these in. We've also got the creepy cloth stocked again in the white. I've only been able to find them mainly in the black and like a gray color. So it's nice that they brought the white ones back in. A bunch of different votives with the metal leaf accent at the top. Those are all restocked items. And then they've got the dark red, kind of burgundy color glass votives by the candles. They had some Halloween costume accessories. This is made out of felt. You got the elephant, there's a shark, so you have like the shark head, and then there's the fins for the hands. They also had this dog, and then you've got the paws for your hands. You can wear this with like a solid color outfit. They had some headbands for like mermaids, some flower crowns with the face jewels that are like stickers. There's a couple different like mermaids, princesses. They have some more Christmas items out. They're restocking the ornaments that look like the snowmen. There's also the owls with the buffalo plaid, and then the glitter and mirrored bulbs. They have the stars, there's bulbs, there's also some bells, and those come in the green with the silver mirrors. There's silver and red. Oh, they also have them in a snowflake. I forgot about that one. And here's all the bells. They have the large glitter bells with the greenery and pine cone and a bow at the top. They're silver, red, and gold. They brought back the 2-pack of the birds. They have a clip on the bottom. There's the cardinals. Those also are in a 2-pack. And then the fur wreath. Those are the mini wreath ornaments with the buffalo plaid ribbon in either the red or the black. They have the 60-piece wooden beads for Christmas in red, white, and green. And then the little mini party trays. They have the Christmas tree, the large candy, and there's also the blue snowflake. Then for the toys and games, they have these dough mold kits. This one is a waffle maker set. It says make your own mini waffles. It has the stamper and then a bunch of pieces that you can roll them out and stamp and cut the different fruits and things. Comes with the plate, a fork, and a knife. There's like 5 dough colors and then all the hardware you need to create that. There's also the hamburger maker set. You get the press and then a plate, a fork, and a knife. The Dollar Tree Plus section, we have this $5 styling set. It's like a beauty shop set. It has the curling iron and hair dryer and things like that. There's the mini play tea set that makes noise. This game for $3 called Babble Battle. The hilarious Guess the Phrase game with over 200 phrases for $3. They have the $5 portable tunes toy box radio. They come in 2 different colors. It does take 2 AA batteries. Some leggings with the candy canes on top. Those are in small, medium, large, and extra large. I found these large pillows for $5. It says use your wings. And then this one has the rainbow. It says be your own rainbow. It's like a light pink background. Some motion activated outdoor solar wall lamps. These are $5 each. They also had these mini flame glow lamp posts. They're 12.5 inches tall. They were still in the box and I didn't want to open them. I was kind of in the way, but I did take a picture of the tag. And then they had these shelf critters restocked. They all have the arrow that points to the different like days until Christmas, the countdown style. There's a couple different snowmen, Santa, and the reindeer. I also found these car backseat organizers, and those were $5 as well. And that's it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this video if you haven't done so already to our channel, and if you could hit that little thumbs up to like the video, share it possibly, and hit the bell so every time we post a new video you're notified and won't miss out. Thank y'all so much. I hope y'all are having a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.